So let's proceed naman here, Christmas Village. So are we ready?
Jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells time and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air, what a bright time, it's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is a swell time to go gliding in the one-horse sleigh.
Ang ganda dito, nakakalula. Alam mo yung napaka-aesthetic. Eto, parang isa kang chicken na napisa. Oo, napisa. Alam mo, galing ka sa itlog, tapos na Alaga mag-enjoy yung mga kids dito at families. Why not? Try ninyo. So dito na face guys, mag-enjoy yung mga kids. Kasi para siyang, step mo lang. See? Tapos talagang magbabounce back ka. Tapos, katulad yan, kailangan talaga may guide ng parent. Kasi magbabounce back ka talaga guys, promise. Lumulundag-lundag ka talaga. Nakakalula. Dome nila. Wow. So yung last is pwede ka mag-dine in. You can have your food here. So here guys, mag-stop by muna ako. Hot milk tea natin. Ang sarap ng tea.
Nakaka-relief.
Sarap ng tea. Sobra.